Welcome to this week's edition of the Disney Dining Review. I'm Michael, and if this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button. Here on the Disney Dining Review, we go eat our way around Disney, finding out what to eat, when to eat, how much it costs, and all of that good stuff. So come take a look at Blaze Pizza with me today. Blaze Pizza down here in Disney Springs, and for people who have regularly watched the channel for a while, you will know that I am not someone who reviews chain restaurants, and Blaze Pizza is definitely that. With 200 plus chains across the United States, this might be the first, if not the second time I've ever reviewed a chain restaurant. But Blaze Pizza is kind of like a Chipotle of pizza. Like, you go in, you get the custom made, custom design, put your own toppings. They would fire it right here, or fire it up at least right here. But as we walk in, let's go take a look. Let's look at the full menu here at Blaze Pizza. As you can see, they have sides, entrees, s'mores, assorted sweets, and the pizza. $9.65 for the build your own pizza. And that's the way I went today. Put anything you want on it for $9.65 seems like the way to go. But if you don't want the work and you don't want the hassle of guessing what goes with what, they do have their signature pizzas for the same $9.65. Another great thing about Blaze Pizza is they do have a gluten-free option. I will say there is a quite impressive drink selection here, besides your normal Coke. They also have the Blue Sky sodas. Then they have drink machines with the matcha aqua fresca. let me not pronounce that right. The blue hibiscus here, the blood orange lemonade, the original lemonade, and all of the same there. So quite an impressive, along with your teas. But we've ordered a pizza. Let's go ahead and wait for it to come out. Once you pay, once you get an order in, they give you this. As soon as this buzzes, you go pick up your pizza. Okay, so the pizza's come out. This is what it looks like. I got the meatball, the pepperoni with mozzarella and some oregano, a double meatball, or actually additional meatball or two on there. It looks really good, so let's give it a try and see how it holds up. Well, that is some Blaze Pizza. Had the personal pan pizza, had the drink. All of that was just over $13 before pass holder discount. Just under 12, just over 12 with pass holder discount. So it saved me 10% on the pass holder side of things. Let's go outside. I'll share the rest of what I think about some Blaze Pizza. Well, we just finished up some Blaze Pizza down here in Disney Springs. What did I think of Blaze Pizza? What's my review of the pizza establishment known as Blaze here? Let's go ahead and talk about the pizza. I thought it was greasy, and maybe that's because I had two different meats on my pizza and no veggies, and just went straight for like a meat pizza with a meatball and pepperoni. And I thought it was really greasy. The value I thought was really good though. I mean, it's a like for the $12.12 after pass holder discount. I get the drink and the pizza, good value. I am stuffed full. Easily, I think you could easily, if you're not like a big eater, I think you could easily share I think you could easily share some Blaze Pizza. Like one pizza, maybe split it up both sides. Love the Blue Sky colas. Really good. I think that's the first time I've ever had the colas from Blue Sky. I had the black cherry, and I had this is the root beer now. So I liked those. I'm not feeling Blaze, guys. I'm just not feeling it. I know people who just love them some Blaze Pizza. Just love it. And I'll tell you this, just not feeling it. I'm gonna give it 3 stars because it is make your own, and I did choose my own adventure there. So I'm gonna give it 3 M's nonetheless, guys. 3 M's nonetheless there. As like I said, it's a choose your own adventure, and so I kind of chose my fate, but I just was not impressed. I know I've got friends who love this place, so definitely I'll relay that opinion that I know a lot of people who really like Blaze Pizza. Not me. I doubt I'm gonna come back. I just don't see it. It's a 3-star for me. It's not something that I'm definitely gonna get. There's better pizza on property for sure. It's just not for me. If you've eaten at both this and other pizza places on property, please let me know down in the comments what you think is the best pizza place on Walt Disney World property. I'm gonna say that because last week was Pizza Ponte, this week is Blaze Pizza. Both of these places in Disney Springs. Next week, you can expect a comparison vlog, a comparison video of the two. I'm gonna compare them side by side, let you know what I think is better when it comes to pizza in Disney Springs, and then I'll probably even throw an additional tip on what I think the best pizza on property is. Hint, it's an Epcot. It is definitely an Epcot. But like I said, if you have an opinion on the pizza here at Walt Disney World, let me know what you think the best pizza you've had at Walt Disney World is in the comments down below, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a show as I set down the drink there, so I can hold this camera just a little bit steadier. So I think I'm gonna get out of here. 3 M's on the pizza here. The good thing is it's fresh and it's made by hand. The bad news is it was greasy, and I just really didn't dig it. I didn't think it was anything better than okay. Yeah, just okay. But that is going to be it for this edition of the Disney Dining Review. If this is your first time in, subscribe down here. Also, hit that like button. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, just give me the sarcastic thumbs up. That'll work as well. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. I will see you next week. Here's to life.